Welcome students. Our today's topic is absolute and conditional convergence. Absolutely convergent series, a series summation k starting from 1 to infinity, ak is said to converge absolutely if the series of absolute values summation k starting from 1 to infinity, ak mod converge. So for absolute convergence, modulus of series must converge. If a series converges absolutely, then it converges. Means an absolutely convergent series is a convergent series. Conditionally convergent series, a series which is convergent but not absolutely convergent, is called conditionally convergent series. So conditionally convergent series is not absolutely convergent but is convergent. Divergent series, a series which is neither absolutely convergent nor conditionally convergent, is called divergent series. Now above definitions can be expressed as: if a series summation ak mod converges, means if a series is absolutely convergent, then this series is convergent, then original series ak is always convergent. Means an absolutely convergent series is a convergent series. The second one is, if series is not absolutely convergent, if ak mod diverges and but original series summation ak converges, then the series is called conditionally convergent series. So conditionally convergent series is not absolutely convergent but is convergent. The third case is, if a series is not absolutely convergent, means summation ak diverges and series is also not convergent, original series ak also diverges, then this type of series are called divergent series. So divergent series neither absolutely converge nor converges. Now in order to test absolute convergence of a series, we use a ratio test for absolute convergence. A ratio test for absolute convergence. Now ratio test for absolute convergence can be written as limit k approaches to infinity ak plus 1 upon ak mod is equal to L. If L is less than 1, then series converges. If L is greater than 1, or L equal to infinity, positive infinity, then the series diverges. And for L equal to 1, no conclusion. Mean this test fails, no conclusion. Remember, in order to discuss absolute or conditional convergence of a series, the first step is to test series for absolute convergence. In step 1, we test series for absolute convergence. If series is absolutely convergent, then our problem is solved, because in this type of problems we are asked to discuss absolute convergence, conditional convergence, or divergence of a series. If series is not absolutely convergent, then we move to step 2. In step 2, we discuss the convergence of series. We discuss convergence of series. If series is not absolutely convergent but convergent, then series is called conditionally convergent series. And if a series is neither absolutely convergent nor conditionally convergent, then series is called divergent series. Classify the series summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised power k plus 1 upon 3k as absolutely convergent, conditionally convergent, or divergent. An alternating series is given, and now we have to discuss this series for absolute convergence, conditional convergence, or divergence. So given series is summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised power k plus 1 upon 3k. Now for absolute convergence, remember first we discuss absolute convergence of this series. We take modulus of this series summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised power k plus 1 upon 3k mod. This is equal to summation k starting from 1 to infinity 1 upon 3k, as here minus 1 raised power k plus 1 gives us positive and negative signs. When we take modulus of this series, then all terms become positive, and this series can also be written as summation 1 upon 3 summation k starting from 1 to infinity 1 upon k. Now this is clearly harmonic series, and harmonic series is divergent series which diverges. So absolute convergence of this series is not absolutely convergent, which implies given series is not absolutely convergent. Now if series is not absolutely convergent, now we move to step 2. In step 2, we test the conditional convergence of this series. As given series is an alternating series, so in order to test the convergence of alternating series, we use alternating series test. Alternating series test consists of two parts. And first, we show that series is decreasing, summation a k is decreasing, and in second step we have to prove that limit k approaches to infinity a k is equal to 0. Now a k is equal to 1 upon 3k, a k plus 1 upon a k can be written as 1 upon 3k plus 3 upon 1 upon 3k. It can be written as 3k upon 3k plus 3. As denominator is greater than numerator, this is clearly less than 1, which implies given series is decreasing. Now finally, we have to find this limit. Also, now limit k approaches to infinity, a k is equal to limit k approaches to infinity, a k means 1 upon 3k, and we know this limit is equal to 1 upon infinity, which is equal to 0. equal to 0. As both the condition for convergence of alternating series are satisfied, which implies given series is convergent, which implies series is convergent. As given series is not absolutely convergent, but this series is convergent, so this series is conditionally convergent, which implies summation k starting from 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power k plus 1 upon 3k converges conditionally or conditionally convergent, is conditionally convergent. Conditionally convergent.